Hello, in front of me I've got Volvo S80. In this video I'll tell you about 5 worst features of this car. Let's start with aging electronics. Infotainment and climate controls can glitch. High weight affects performance with smaller engines. Limited rear legroom, tight for taller passengers. Expensive OEM parts, especially for air, suspension or headlights. Difficult DIY repairs. Some components require specialized tools. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.